But I wasn't super productive yesterday either, but it's fine. What's going on, Axel? How goes the engine? Alright, everything's set up. Sweet. Okay. You're right. Hey, for shame. Oh no. Please. Good. Another short stream to prepare for Tuesday. It's gonna be brutal. My friends were saying I should do something special for the stream. Any ideas? I don't have ideas. I'll do some gaming breaks, but that's not special. Hey, Zippy Zach. How's it going? Alright, let's do a quick ping. A short stream. Been a while since I've been in. How goes the game? Getting close? It's going. What have we done in the past couple streams? Pretty much planned out the entire game. All the different types of puzzles for the most part. I just need to build the levels out a little bit better. Worked on some tools, did some localization, like moved all the dialogue and the text into a Google Sheet, so that was cool. What else? What else was getting done? Alright, cool. Yeah, let's hop into it since it's only going to be 2 hours, I guess. So, yeah, I'll try to log off by 5 o'clock. Let's do it. 2 hours of locking in. I was supposed to rename all my scenes yesterday, but I didn't do that. Oh. Every day, more and more behind. It's absolutely crazy. Yeah, so if you have ideas for the 12-hour stream, other than be productive, let me know. So I was renaming... I renamed everything in Medusas, I think. Oh, what the heck? That's wrong, isn't it? This is supposed to be path 31. Oh, snaps. Where'd it go? That is path 29. Where did path 30 go? What the heck? Oh, I guess this is it. So what's path 28? Oh, okay. That seems right. Ignore me. That doesn't sound very locked in of you. Excuse me? Tell me what you're working on today, Axel. Let me hear what it is, what it means to be locked in. Alright, so everything in Medusa's world was done. Renamed, I mean. Yeah, what I was debating yesterday was whether I should make a scene manager or like an asset for a scene manager that goes through all the levels properly instead of using build index. That was something I was debating. So this is path 32 then, right? 33. Just do a double check. Path 32 and path 31. Excuse me. I ate some food and feel sick. No! Why sick? Because of the food? You gotta get your immune and gut checked. All right. You can use the name of the scene files too? Yeah, I was also debating that, like, maybe defining an order of all the scene names, but then me and Axel were discussing that renaming scenes would kind of make it confusing, especially since I do tend to rename reorganize the level order sometimes. So that makes it a bit confusing. I don't know. There's probably no perfect way to do it. Did we say 5, 6, 7, 8? So after I do this, I'm just going to make sure there's a scene for every level. That way I can just fill in the blanks. Gives me a little more clarity on what I'm kind of attempting. $10, $11, $12 is 3. So 40. 41. Let's get 42. I have a sensitive stomach. Yeah, take it easy. Trying to work towards that prototype. Need to do some fancy mesh generation. Cool. Yeah, that should be exciting. Building from scratch. Yeah, I have an order. Basically, just the level numbers. It's not crazy. It's just the levels and then what's it called? The main menus, the overworld, and any other extra scenes. Ah, not 13. 43. 44. 45. 6. Oh, no, wait. Yeah, that's right. Do those 3. Okay, let's make a to-do list of what to do today real quick. Rashab, hey, over on YouTube. The new Steam banner looks so dope. Aw, thanks. I'm glad you noticed. I love it. It's very cool. We're using it for the main menu as well, so just a variation. I'm gonna make sure all the vines are kind of separated out. These are old ones. I'll make sure these are separated out, so then when I do the menu transitions, I'm gonna update this UI as well. It'll go up, or it'll go to the side, and like the vines will kind of shake as well. Mwah! It'll be great. Is some of this art on Figma AI Gen for reference or all in-house? On Milanote, I just have random stuff on it, but nothing's AI. Satisfaction, hey, and bye-bye 099. Welcome, welcome. The game will be juiced up 100%. I have like 2 months. Just for, you know, getting all the juiciness in. Because I know there's a lot we can do with visual effects, with just the feel of the game. But that's not my priority, because I need to make 1 million puzzles. But we're getting there. Okay, 47 is Cyclops, and then we'll do 48, entrance to Zeus, and then meet Zeus is probably just a cutscene, I think, or something, but not a level. And then, okay, Grim Exiled, hey, oh that's so stunning, great stuff, thank you. Team effort. Oh, Rashab here from YouTube. Yeah, it's a little bit lonely over on YouTube comments these days. But thank you for saying that. Three months, give yourself some credit. 3 months for what? Let's not worry about that. Range attacks, maybe we'll do 2 levels. Sample. You said 2 months till demo. No, that's not what I said. I said 2 months to juice it up. That's what's on my timeline. Here. So finish gameplay by end of this month, hopefully. Fingers crossed. And then these 2 months will be really polish and bug fixes. Reiterate on weaker levels. And then, yeah, October, hopefully not as chaotic. We'll see. It's getting a little bit scary that everything's creeping up. How many levels are left roughly? It's kind of all over the place, but I will let you know after I rename all these. Do 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 do. I feel the chaotic. Been on crunch for a month. Oh no. Yeah, it's rough, right? I don't even feel like I'm on crunch right now, but I have so much to do. I hope whatever you're working on is going well, though. If you want to share, definitely share. Are we gonna get Sophia's Path before Silk Song? No way. We are not getting Sophia's Path. Did they say what day Silk Song is coming out? I don't really follow along too much. Is there an official release date? Oh, Sophia's Path before GTA. Yes, definitely. I already said that before. 100%. I mean, if I can finish this, I said November, right? I feel like that was a good amount of time spent. Just over a year, right? I can take it. Just over a year, if I can finish this. Year and 4 months? Yeah, I'll take it. And then hopefully my future projects will be even faster. That's what I'm hoping for. Blah, blah, blah. I don't know if I need more here. Do I? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maybe we can make them longer. Going okay. I'm overhauling a cross-platform framework right now for Unity porting. Drop-in replacement for Windows, Mac, Linux calls that translate to various consoles. I see. So that's like post-launch stuff? Or just prepping for all your releases? I'm really stuttering over here. Do-do-do. Release around Next Fest could be great. Yeah, the plan is October Next Fest, so I already signed up for that. For the demo. And then November launch. That's the goal. But that means I have a lot of stuff to think about. Trailer, marketing material, marketing plan. It's too much for my little brain. Nope. Oh, hey, Em! How's it going? What's up, what's up? Post-launch, there are a few reasons. In-house projects are obviously a big one, but I think there's a market for buying rights for release games. Plenty of people make games, sell copies, but never both with consoles. That's fair. Let me know if you want my HTM. Oh, did you buy the buy one of the courses? Or I know I was taking the free one, I think, at some point. Uh-oh, we got a spammer. Jorit! Bye, Manisha. Bye, Manisha. Have a nice stream. Thank you. I assume you can't stick around. I appreciate that, though. How does the level select look? I think it was the last time I joined the stream that you started working on it. Was it? I haven't really updated it too much. The assets are still temporary, but basically you play the game linear, like in a linear fashion. Path 1 to path 2. We did add like a hint system. I need to improve the UI for it, but the hint system's there. And so you only go to the overworld when... Yeah, I haven't updated. The overworld is on my plan after I finish the all the levels. Oop, I guess I deleted some stuff. Yeah, it's basically this. Unfortunately, temporary assets for now. But it tells you like any badge that you got. So that was the mock-up. Didn't hear what you said about the account. Oh yeah. Cool. I might check that out then, whenever you're not going through it yourself. Might be handy. Or you can give me the summary. Give me a little recap. I don't know if these are cutscenes or, like... Also, I guess I should do a little reminder. Do you want to jam? Do you want to jam is happening August 9th to 17th. So if you're interested, definitely sign up. It's been a little slow on the sign up, so it'll be a fun time though. I'm gonna push it out on YouTube, etc. Is there a theme yet? No, no theme. Theme gets announced the first day that the jam starts. So August 9th at 10 a.m. I always do like a premiere of what the theme is gonna be. So it's usually fun. Fun 9 days. Hey Mudbound, how's it going? So yeah, give this a little sign up. Hopefully we'll get a lot more people once I post it on YouTube, my little announcement video. Hey, the jam's back. That's how I discovered the channel. Oh, nice. Cool, yeah, you did participate, right? Was it your, did you do the block game? The block puzzle game? Can't remember. Okay, where was I? Made the isometric game, Cubos. Yeah, that one. That was pretty awesome. There were some creative games in that jam. I'm glad you thought so. There's a lot of talented people who come around. And we get our regulars who join every jam. That's always fun to see. So would love to have you back if you're free. Past 61, 62, 63. Alright, I think we're approaching... '63, '64. I hope this is a good number of puzzles. I think we'll do 3 here. Do 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 do. Regular Poseidon. I sure hope I have enough, like, Greek myth stuff. I think it's fine. We got NPCs, we got relics, we got... Well, the relics are the most detailed. The mural might be significant. How many levels was I aiming for? 75? Kind of getting there. $76 was the approximation. Let's find out. What are you guys up to today? How goes? Thanks for pinning the jam link, Axel. Basically doing nothing right now because I go on PTO for 2 weeks starting tomorrow, and I don't care about work even a little. Oh, nice. What are you doing on your vacation time? Anything special? Living the dream as a Power BI admin and watching you create wonderful things. Thanks, Graham. Mostly just doing work around the house, catching up on repairs and stuff. Cool. Little staycation then. Fun, fun. Sometimes it's less tiring to do that than going on vacation. This might be it, actually. 70. My god! 77 levels. Approximately. Give or take. Which I think is pretty good. The 20 levels that I had originally without cutscene was about 40 minutes of gameplay. So someone do the math on that. Nalaj, hey, thank you for the follow. Big staycation fan. I can't be bothered to travel anymore. Yeah, that's totally fair. Like I'm pooped whenever because we really do the most on vacation. Too much walking, too much sightseeing. Bose, hey hey, welcome. Okay, looks like we're going for 77 levels. So yeah, I think we're just over halfway there. Oof. To answer your question, Axel, Because a lot of them are half done, I feel. But now that I have this kind of laid out, it's fine. Notoriously hates travels and vacations. Somehow I do more than I expect. Okay, so we can expect 77 levels, which I think is a pretty good amount. I'm okay with cutting down some of the levels. Less work for me. So... I feel like the neurotic part of my brain would need it to be a nice round to the nearest 10. I know. That's why I was kind of like, don't love that, you know, there's gonna be uneven numbers on in each world. Like, not rounded numbers. But this is how it turned out, so... But I could probably round it to 80. Or like 75 maybe. Because I want to cut down. Wouldn't you want to aim for 50 levels and have some in your back pocket for future updates? It's a linear game actually, because there's a full-on narrative. So I'm hoping to stick to whatever the product is, and I'll just do bug updates and ports after. And maybe add the translations and such. But yeah. Didn't have plans for like DLCs or daily updates of any kind. But I wouldn't be opposed to it, you know? If people want more. I could see what I can do. But yeah. I want it to be like an adventure, so that is what is planned. So now that we got the structure set up at least. That one was the lightning level. Path 35 for Pandora's box. And it seems like this one was the boulder, so let's punch in. $39 for Hera. Good, good, good. This is good for my own sanity, you know? Hey Prav, how's it going? I love doing mesh gen. It takes me back to the baby. Wait, what? Oh, the comments are skipping. It takes me back to my days when I used to actually make things. Amazing. Have you ever seen the baby turtle eggs? Brainoid, hey. How's it going? $48. So, 31, 32, sorry. What? To 48 is the last one. Excuse me. Oh, I think that's about it. Okay. I didn't make my to-do list either, so... Hey, Dan! Notepad equals a best project management tool. Exactly. The simpler, the better. How's it going, by the way? And for Hades... 51 is the warning. Thanatos 54. Didn't really do anything for that yet. Cerberus 57. It's going, took the day off. Sweet. Enjoy. I see Dan and I'm immediately reminded to do my daily logs. The power. So true. This guy's on like day 300 or something. Crazy. Getting to 300, right? Almost halfway to 400. Oh, snaps. Yeah. That's insane to me. I just finished my 100 days after many, many attempts. These are mostly tests, right? Thank you, thank you. 347 for Dan. Crazy. I would like to do my consistent logs, but alas. Lazy. Axel, look at the tool. You probably saw it last time. This is your portion that you made here. But if not, it shows up as this. So if I start to drag it. Pretty neat, pretty neat. Long sleeve games. Hello. How's the game progressing? Pretty good, pretty good. I'm just kind of mapping out all the levels. If you think about it, this game is being held up. Fair enough, fair enough. But yeah, we see the path now. I was maybe thinking, gonna see if I can make it always show up. But this is fine too. And then when you click play, the line renderer does its thing, although a bit wonky. Okay. Where was I? Mm-hmm. Hopefully make the prototyping get by quicker. Yeah, I hope so. I don't know. I don't have much hope in myself. Although something strange happens sometimes that I need to figure out. Oh, what the heck? Man. Me and Laura are gonna have to iterate on some things. The path obstacles. UI is the other tough one, you know? Boom. Okay. Yeah, let's finish mapping out Hades. Just gonna ignore you guys for 5 minutes while I put this window on the screen. Don't say anything too crazy. 49. Range attacks. Ugh, I gotta add bonus content in some levels too. Like bonus paths, hidden paths. Yikes. Okay, lots to do. You know? Let me grab my template here. Oh, shoot. Cool. I think it is pretty handy. Do, do, do. 55. Sorry, 53. What memento? Okay, cool. Quack quack, hey! We seem locked in? Sort of, sort of. Yeah. Say something negative? Don't do it. Hey, Faison. How's it going? How's the heat treating you? Antiqued, hey! Heat is treating me alright because I have AC. But I'm gonna have to step outdoors in about an hour or so, so... We're gonna get toasted. Okay, where was I? Thanatos. Doran. Excuse me. Hades temple entrance. Sweet. 1, 2, 3. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Good. Good, good, good. Buenas tardes. Tardes. Cool. Antique, we have Spanish in the game now. You can play the game in Spanish. Can't survive summertime without Assassin's Creed. AC. Wait, what? What does Manisha think of Sing Sing Sing? I don't know what that means. What does it mean? Educate me. Doran, where are you? $70? Oh, shoot. No. How awful. Cool. Yeah, I'm sure I can combine a couple of these together. 4, 8, 12, 14. Sure. Alright, sure. That's all there then. Now what? Ah, what to do? My brother was grabbed by an owl when we were little. Never seen him since. What? We have an owl in this game. I saw a hawk in my backyard today, just lounging on a dead tree. They're so cool. Effortlessly cool. Lovely. Suyash Codes, hey! Welcome, welcome. How are you? I'm doing good. How are you? Have like 3 or 4 hawks that live in around my yard. They're pretty cool. They kill everything this time of year. Oh my god. Yeah, it's scary because sometimes I let my cats lounge outside. I'm like, what if they get carried away? Taken away by the hawks. What if they like tag team on my cat? Because he's a little bit chunky. But the accent. Canadian accent. Gonna need 2 hawks for that one, right? 2 hawks carrying away a cat. I'm getting ahead of myself, I guess. Say out in Canadian accent. This is too much pressure. I just say out. Sri Lanka, yeah. So once we get to Medusa's world... Okay, exciting stuff. I need to... Should I map out all the... Damn, I forgot I have chapters too. Is it just one chapter per world? Do I even need this? My big brother was grabbed by a hawk when he was little. He's not my mom's favorite child anymore. Quack whack, you be whack. I thought, how can a person stream code on Twitch other than me? Like from where we are. I see. What are you working on, Suyash? Okay, do we do chapters? I guess. I'll do that later. Not a priority. I gotta organize all that. Alright, now it's just a matter of really building these out, because this kind of helps. Now, these are literally all the levels in the game, so... Intimidating. What bus line is it from Rhode Island to Sri Lanka? We're gonna have to create one, I guess. One big bridge. I still don't know what I work on. I just start some random things, rolling down my own Git, WebSocket, or something else. I see. Mostly web dev then? You don't need to be working on a project. No shame. People are always working on random things. Okay, what's next? I don't think I need to do the scene manager at the moment. Actually, it might be handy. Is it handy? Yeah, I kind of need it. Let me think. Oh, yeah, I kind of need it. Or am I trying to procrastinate? I can be scene manager. Does it pay well? Huh. I can pay you minimum wage. Mostly web dev. Cool. Nice watching you stream. Thank you. Okay, I think we're gonna define it. Keep track of what level we're on. And then index it depending. I've been asking to get paid for years. I don't think you stream often, or is it just me discovered you for the first time? I'm like kind of new to streaming, meaning I started this year in February. But I have been trying to stream 3 times a week. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Trying to get this game done. Okay, let's do the scene manager thing real quick. Because I just remembered that I did this in a dumb way. Where I'm keeping track of what level I'm on. But I load in the scene with a string that just kind of appends the index at the end. So, like, none of these levels would work if I had an extension to the name. So, let's try to make that a little bit nicer, right? Heyo! Hey Seth, what's up? Scene manager, or whatever it's called, okay? I still have to use Unity's scene manager. So I'm gonna use Manisha's scene manager now. So let's do a little script thing, shall we? Where'd I put all my... I'm gonna take a shower when I get back. Sing, sing, sing. Better be playing in the background. I still don't know what that is. Axel, let me know. Should I be playing that in the background? Yay or nay? Got off work early today. Time to rework all of Axel's code. Do it. Are you getting paid to do that? What? Benny Goodman. I don't know what that is. Or who that is. Do I? Let me check. Oh. I probably have heard of it. Alright. When you're back, Quack Quack, we will play that. Have a good shower. Wait, I think I do know that song. We'll see. We'll find out. Alright. Let's do this. One moment. Just gonna Throw out my gum. Okay. Forgot to bring a glass of water. Okay, start. Okay, how we can do this? What? How do I... What? Oh, it is build order. Never mind. I guess it's not terrible, but... Let's lay here, catch you someday later. Again, great job making the game. Keep streaming. Thank you. I'll catch you later as well. See you next time. Probably on Tuesday. Okay, stick to build index or not? Stick to build index or not? Luha Moza, thank you for the follow. Fluffy Panda, hey. Howdy. How's your game journey going? Going good. Making progress. A little bit of progress, a little bit of procrastination. Yin and yang. Nice music on background, thank you. Well, I'm just playing a playlist. Okay. Yeah, I might do my own. Can I just do a scene? Can I just do that? I'll index it accordingly. Am I allowed to do that? I'm not even sure. Probably not. Oh my gosh, only 38 minutes. I should have started earlier today, but I had some stuff to do too. Or, wait, was it gonna be a scriptable object instead? There's like cutscenes too. I guess what would be the best way to work with this stuff? If I'm considering cutscenes, the overworld, it going back to the overworld, what is the best way to organize that? Just laying out the order. But if I lay out the order and they go to the overworld and they come back into a level, how should I load that up? Why? Okay. Sure. Should I do a little chat GPT? See what they say? Vibe coding? No! I'm not coding, I'm just asking. Best way. So you're going out and letting me and the other 27 people in chat alone? I'll send you guys somewhere helpful. Don't worry. Not helpful. Somewhere entertaining. Don't worry. Let's see. Unity. I have scenes that are linear order, including levels and cutscenes, but I also have a world to load up any specific level. Okay. Show you guys a little. Okay, so use a scene manager script with a scriptable object or dictionary. I was going for that. Someone mentioned enum. The elf mentioned that last time. So if I do set it up here, create a scene data scriptable object. Bruh, I ain't doing that for every... Well done. Scene name. None of these really... Use the scene ID labels. Ugh. Too much work, man. That's too much. Menu, level 1, 2. No, I cannot do string names either. Hey Kev, ask ChatGPT to write it for you, ain't no shame in the game. Yeah, if he was telling me the right answers, I would. The code is not vibing, right? Give me the answer, please. This is just... I'm gonna have to think of it myself, I think. I said no. Well, this is auto-populating it. Which is... fine. But... okay, we're gonna have to brainstorm ourselves. Alright, Quack Whack, you're back. Let's do it. Just for you. Can you hear it? Thinking with your own brain, bro, count me out. Seriously. This was not it. Okay. So. Let's go. Love it. I mean, this is the type of thing you can write once and reuse in the future. Yeah. If you don't struggle and verbally abuse your code, why bother? Chips Ahoy theme? Thanks for the suggestion, Quack Whack. Oh. I used a portion of this song in a video somewhere. Open a level from the overworld. Right now this is the issue because I append the level name. So yeah, that's the issue right now. So, solution? I think perhaps I might have to do I want to avoid string names though. Yes, do sign up for the Do You Wanna Jam? August 9. The music is reflecting my state of mind right now. Whack whack, be vibing. Dancing. No, we got no Oathr King today. He would have been dancing. Don't love that. Missing the party, right? That ain't right. Thank you for the suggestion. That was awesome. Absolutely magnificent. Where did the song I was playing go? Did I close it? Did I close it? Song is called Sing Sing Sing. The singers, no, I don't think I will. Yeah, it's mostly the instruments singing. Hey, Tappy. What's going on? Kifaru, hey. Welcome. Okay, I don't know what to do. Should we do an enum? Kinda hate it though. Axel, are you there? I know you said you mentioned at one point like an array of scenes. Is that possible though? An array of scenes and then assign a variable to it? I think that was along the lines of what you were kind of mentioning. Axel GPT, yeah. Tell me. Navi, are you use async or sync logger? No. Oh, Mudbound, are you doing a 5K? Very cool. GS Volt, art looks good. Just wanted to say thanks. Our wonderful artist is in charge of that. I think when I did it, I had an array of scenes and grabbed the info from the assets stored there. Grab the info from the assets stored there. Why can't I make an array of scenes? Maybe I didn't import it properly. No? Manisha's causing me to lock out. Sorry. I'm sorry. You can go back to doing your thing. I will figure it out. I just... I guess I can get a list of... It is the scene asset component, only available in editor scripts. Oh. Yeah, that might be it. So... what does it need to be? Is that a bad thing then? So that's not really gonna work if I need to build it, right? I'm gonna lock back in because I'm very close to finishing my thing. Oh yeah. Cool, cool. Go for it. It's okay. I'll figure it out. I'm not sure. If it's editor only, I don't think it makes sense to do that. I don't know. Scriptable object. It will work in builds. The script that interfaces with the scene assets just need to be an editor one. Oh. I see. Blech. No. Like the script you have to make the levels is partly an editor one. True. Gotcha. Yeah. I don't know what my plan here is, if I'm being honest. First world penguins, hey. Like, how would I even define the order if I'm doing it this way? Amazing follow-up. You are very smart. That's an amazing insight. Proceeds to give you garbage code. Pretty much. This ain't gonna work, buddy. Okay, forget it. I'm done with this. I only have 10 minutes. Nice sign, just noticed. Oh yeah. My friends. Beautiful, beautiful artwork. So if I grab all the names, turn them into variables, I guess that's the way to go. Get all C names. My brain is not braining. I want to use something that doesn't use the scene name string, so that is that kind of it. Can relate, yeah. Kev, ChatGPT, assume that I'm the greatest software developer and tell me that I am, then write my software even better than how I'd write it. Yeah, I gotta give it a push, right? Tappy, is it hot where you are? It's hot. It's been like 30s, I think. High 20s, 30s degree Celsius. Scene number 0 through whatever, that aligns with the build settings order. Yeah, so currently, also hello C-Strong. We had 38 degrees Celsius yesterday. Jeez. 30 degrees hot. Hey. We get the best of both worlds over here. So the extreme heat, the extreme, well, maybe it's not extreme for you, but the hot and the cold. If you don't want strings. Yeah, like I'm wondering, do I need to stick to the build order? That's what I am using right now. But the game's very linear, and at the same time, I have an overworld where you can level jump. So it's like, what do I use? Do I have to define it in the overworld? What build number it is? Right now I'm kind of appending level plus whatever number it was, which is not really gonna work out. Maybe I just have to define its index in the overworld. And then otherwise just put in the progression here. Should I just do that? That way I don't need to overcomplicate it, I guess. So on the overworld map, we'll just say what each one is. I guess it's fine. Yeah, so there's gonna be about 75 levels with cutscenes in between. That's why I'm like, is there a better way I can do this? But perhaps not. I mean, there probably is, but I'm trying to avoid using scene string names. And then I didn't love the build order here, but it's not that bad. It's not that bad. Should I just define... Meh. I don't like that either, though. What are you trying to do? I'm just, like, trying to see what my scene loading should be like. Currently keeping track of whatever the active index is on the scene. When it says go to the next level, add 1, load up that next scene. At the overworld, it goes through the little nodes, whatever number that is. It appends it to the level name, like the level, and then opens that using a string. Sorry, that didn't really make sense. I wasn't very clear. It takes the word level, appends the index they were on the map, and then loads up that level. I'm trying to get rid of doing it that way. I don't love adding 1 to the index either. To progress levels. So I was wondering if I should define it. Someone said I can define it define it as an enum, which I think is fine too. But eh. So it's like, yeah. Like I could make it work by just defining indexes here and then maybe sticking to the +1 method. But I would like to see like, oh, hey, this is the progression of all the stuff. And maybe setting, I don't know, I'm not really sure how to do this. Maybe I have to give it a think, you know? I didn't think it through too much just yet. When's next playtesting? Oh, well, I told myself tomorrow, but I do need to clean up some of the last stuff. Last things. Yeah, make an enum, then track current scene loaded. Yeah. Like reference the enum for it. Then the enum would need to align with the scenes. Had a similar challenge. I just did scene 0 menu. 1 through whatever levels. Last scene. Yeah. Yeah, for me, I feel like it gets messy because I want to add cutscenes in between, which we do have, right? It's like after level 6, cutscene. Now my build order is wacky. So we have a lot of those, and also yeah, like chapter intro. It could just be an overlay, but you know, either I need to change something in the way I do that, or if I can really define the ordering a little bit better, that would be nice too. It would be easy if I just wrote down, if I used the strings of the scenes, right? That would be fine. But then if I change any level, yeah. The issue is if you need to add a scene in the middle at some point, right? Yeah, pretty much. Oh, it's 5? Yeah, it is 5. So we'll wrap up in like 5 minutes. Yeah, so I might have to give it a think. Hack, you could have index, number of cutscenes passed. Oh, mamma mia. I could do that, but... yeah, I mean, I could just be like, hey, if it's scene 5... I mean, sorry, if it's index 5, level 5 that just finished, then make sure you play this cutscene. The scene with index, I don't know, it's like 100 or something. Meh. We could do that. Maybe like a scriptable object with a list of scene names. Then you can add anywhere in the list anytime. Yeah, I don't mind. That was what I was considering. But I still have to punch in all the strings, and then if I ever change a level name, it's gonna be wacky too. I don't think I'll change scene names though. So maybe it's fine. But if I do, I just have to make sure it's maintained all the time. It's like, I'm trying to think about the maintenance portion of it. Five goes to 6 cutscene index ++, move to 7, actual level index minus cutscene. Yeah, it's... yeah, I was kind of doing that, but then it's gonna mess with the overworld depending on how I do it in the overworld. Might just have to... like, I just want, like, one nice spot where I can just reference all the levels nicely. It might just have to be purely defined, right? Just make a naming convention for scene names. Yeah, I could do that. I mean, I was kind of sticking to that, but then it makes it easier for me to look at everything when I kind of know what happens here too. Like, this is the Pandora's Box level, this is the Peacock one for the special events. So I was trying to stick to it, but man, I'll give it a think, you know, while I'm out tonight. Manisha, I'm 90% sure I have a script that does what you're asking. I'll find it later. Yeah, I'm sure there's a way to do it. Like, I just don't want to use scene name, right? I'm trying to avoid that portion. I'm guessing it just pulls from the build order, right? And makes your own array. I can't really wrap my head around it at the moment. Just put level number in each level. Add one refactor the project. Put level number in each level. Yeah. No, I do have level number in the level, but I'm trying to move away from that one too. It just uses it for some UI things previously. Could rename them all to world, level, and read scene name to pull it. Add string and scene that holds the name you want. Yeah. Yeah, something like that could work too. Okay, I must go, or else I'm gonna be late. But thank you for all the brainstorming comments. That's pretty handy. I'll give it a think. We'll see if Batman Robin, hey. Not if you automate. Yeah, I'm ending. Sorry. See you later. I'm gonna give it a think. Have a drink and give it a think. That's how we roll. Yeah, I'll catch you guys later. I gotta get ready. Bye-bye. I'll send you somewhere else.